This tutorial will focus on external data source actions. Let's first make a copy of our 105 workflow. Right-click and choose Copy here. Select your newly copied workflow, right-click on it, select Rename and name it 1.06. Okay, run the workflow. And the objective is to push these 109 records into an external data source. So let's close or hide our Model Explorer, open our component palette, and search for external data source. You see there's two external data source actions. We're going to first use the right external data source. Click, drag, and drop it next to summary. Make your source in your property editor the summary. And before we assign it to an external data source, we have to create the database. So click Save here and show your Model Explorer, expand data, expand external data sources. Actually, just right-click on external data sources and select New. And I'll call this 106_summary. And we'll do, the type will be SQLite, and select Create, and the table name will be Summary. For type, you'll notice we can create a bunch of different external database types. For this example, we'll stay on SQLite. Okay. Select your project and click Save. Okay. You can then collapse the data folder and click back on your workflow and hide your Model Explorer. Okay, click on the right external data source action, and in the drop down for external data source, select New External Data Source. Now right click on the parameter on your canvas and choose Edit, and choose your external data source here and click Save. Click on the action and click F8. So that successfully pushed all this data into an external data source. Now let's go ahead and read it. So to read an external data source, you need to drag and drop this action onto your canvas. And there'll be a new result coming out. So do New Table. And I could either link it right to this one or just create another parameter. I'll create another parameter, right click here, choose your external data source and click Save. And I believe that's it. Click F8 on the read. And now we have read the external data source. So this could be helpful for, you can start building a workflow just from the external data source and then have further actions to perform whatever you need to do on these records. Thanks for watching.